What up, YouTube? It's Young Seha. So this is I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. This is gonna be something I'm gonna be doing on the side other than Pokemon cards. So I figured I was gonna, since I open up Pokemon cards and I do get other, goodies and stuff like that, not just cards, that I was gonna start recording myself opening those things. Too bad I wasn't able to open up this and record it, but oh well. Maybe in the future we'll have some gameplay footage, and maybe start live streaming my play on there, who knows. But so yeah, and the product is, it don't matter what it is. It could be a blanket, it could be flashlight, it could be trying on the clothes or whatever, you know what I mean. But it's all at my own discretion. But so I got this right here. It's Farpoint 700 lumens, like work light type thing. It's a Versa Beam emergency floodlight. Sorry. And so it's actually a cool little thing. I'm just gonna unbox it, set it up, read off the specs and all that stuff. And hopefully you guys like that. I don't know. Switch it up a little bit. But here's a little test button behind there. It's pretty bright. Yeah. Let me tell you a story. So, yeah, I'm gonna unbox that. Oh, look at that. Huh. Well, let me switch the camera around. Alright, so yeah, if you didn't catch the first part of that video, which you could, because you could rewind. It's a Farpoint Versa Beam emergency floodlight with 700 lumens, max power. It's 3 hours. It's got 3 hour max power, so if you leave it on accident, full blast for 3 hours, it'll stay on. It's got when it gets low power, if you have it on low power, it's 300 lumens and it lasts 5 hours, so that's cool. Yeah, it's 36 flashing emergency LED. It's got a 180 degree kickstand, and it takes 4 AA's. Let's open this bad boy up. And actually, you can purchase these. I'll put it in the description down below where you can purchase this at. But I believe it's grocery outlet of all places. I don't know where you're at, they have those, but Oregon, they have those. So there's probably some alternative places that carry these, like some kind of bargain market, But yeah, here's this thing. Cool little gadget. There's a battery, little battery pack in the back. Open that up. See, 4 of them. Yep. And let's see. Let's kick it right here. That's one of its settings, and then another one, and oh, look, it lays flat. I mean, who knows what you could use that for? I assume this would be like, when you're doing a work project, or let's say it's kind of dark, you got no light fixture in a room, and you're painting the wall. You can set this bad boy right here, and just there you go. You can see what you're doing. And there's the next setting we got here. That's low, and that's the emergency one. Set that out in the street or whatever. If cars broke down or some kind of emergency, who knows? And I just broke my tripod. That's cool. Might need to get a new one of those and record myself unboxing that or breaking it. So that's that. Cool little gadget. They run about $20, I think. I forgot what I paid for it. I don't have the receipt anymore. Threw it in the garbage. But yeah, I think there's like $20, $25. Not too bad. Good thing to have. And yeah, I got another little flashlight related item. Check that out. It's a rotate light. eye zoom, 6 of them, and they're swivels. It's 60 degrees swivel light, detachable base, non-rolling design, battery operated, LED light. This is how you turn them on. Check it out. See, it swivels. Oh, ooh. That's a bright little light. There's 6 of them. It also comes with the adhesive, so you can stick them anywhere. I mean, if you could see the picture right there. Yep, install anywhere. Portable and wireless, attach and go. I mean, I would probably put one of these on my forehead. You know, who needs a headlamp when you just got a headlight on your head? Yeah, show you guys the back of that there. Bear with me, this is my first time doing one of these videos with the product review type ordeal. But hopefully I'm doing it right. These run about 20 bucks too, at the same place. They also have an 8-pack. It's a 6-pack, and they also have a 4-pack. 4-pack's about $12. This one's about 20, and the other one's 27-ish, I believe. So I'm gonna open this bad boy up, I guess, and do a little demonstration. Stick it somewhere. That's kind of the setup. That's how that goes. I mean, you know, I'm not gonna stick them on anything because I don't want to waste the adhesive. But basically, you'd stick them on to wherever. Oh, it's even magnetic. Imagine that. And they swivel. So yeah, that's what that is. Magnetic. Check it out. Yeah, it's a cool little light fixture system, little thing. Not bad for 20 bucks. And turn them all off one by one like that. See the bottom of them. Well, that's all I got. That's the straight light, and also this bad boy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, it's my first one. I'm gonna get better. Quality's gonna get better. Definitely, content will. Stay tuned, and if you're one of my Pokemon card video people, I got a video probably coming up here in a little bit. All right, stay tuned. I'm out. Peace.